Good day, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that is bigger than business, bigger than profits, bigger than your loan book. I want to talk about community. One of the greatest misconceptions in business is that success is measured only by how much money you make. I don't believe that for 1 second. I believe success is measured by the number of lives that you improve along the way. As a microlender, we are in a unique position. Every day, we have the opportunity to change someone's future. Think about that for a moment. A loan isn't just money. For one customer, it is school fees. For another, it's the opportunity to start a small business. Yet for another, it's the ability to repair a vehicle so they can continue earning an income. For another, it's a chance to provide food for their family. We don't simply lend money, we create opportunities. And that comes with responsibility. The most successful lenders understand that they are not just building loan books, they are helping build communities. Let's talk about the ripple effect here. Imagine you approve a loan for a small business owner. They use that money to buy equipment. Their business will grow. They employ another person. That person now earns an income. That income supports a family. Those children will go to school. That one responsible lending decision affected so many different lives. That's the impact your industry can have when lending is done responsibly. Now imagine the opposite, irresponsible lending, poor affordabilities, no verification, customers becoming over-indebted, businesses closing, families struggling. That's why responsible lending matters. It's not just about compliance, it's about protecting communities. This is why at QuintPay, we place such a strong emphasis on affordability, verification and compliance. Every responsible lending decision strengthens both the lender and the community. Let's talk about trust. Communities remember businesses that genuinely care. They remember the lender who treated them with dignity, who explained the agreement properly, who communicated professionally, who didn't take advantage of difficult situations. Those businesses become respected. Respect creates trust, and as you know, trust creates loyalty. Loyalty creates long-term success. Giving back doesn't always mean writing big checks. Sometimes giving back means educating people, helping customers understand credit, teaching budgeting, helping young entrepreneurs start businesses, supporting local schools, sponsoring community events, sharing your knowledge. Sometimes the most valuable things that you can give someone is your experience. That's one of the reasons I record these videos. At QuintPay, we could simply sell software, but we believe our responsibility is bigger than that. We believe that if lenders become better business owners, entire communities benefit. Every successful lender creates employment. They pay taxes, they support local businesses and suppliers, they create opportunities, they build stronger families. That's why education is one of the greatest investments we can make. Let's also talk about your reputation. Businesses that genuinely invest in their communities become trusted brands. People remember generosity, they remember integrity, they remember businesses that gave without expecting something in return. That reputation becomes your greatest marketing asset. Communities support businesses that support them. Now, here's something I learned many years ago. Success is not about taking as much as you can from the community. It's about contributing as much as you can to it. The more value that you create, the more value eventually returns. That's true in business, and it's true in life. At QuintPay, we've always believed that our success should create opportunities for others. Whether it's through free educational content, our weekly power meetup, business mentoring, free PIP and PEC checks, free customer portals, unlimited users, unlimited branches, or helping new lenders get started, our goal has always been bigger than software. Our goal is to strengthen the South African microfinance industry. Because when lenders succeed, communities succeed. And when communities succeed, South Africa becomes stronger. So let me challenge you today. Ask yourself one simple question. What can my business do this month to make my community a little stronger? Maybe it's sponsoring a local sports team. Maybe it's teaching financial literacy. Maybe it's helping a young entrepreneur. Or maybe it's simply treating every customer with greater respect and professionalism. Small acts create big change. Just like small businesses and small business decision compounds to success. Small acts of kindness compounds into stronger communities. Remember this. People may forget how much money you made, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. And they'll never forget how your business improved their lives. The greatest legacy any entrepreneur can leave isn't a large bank account. It's a stronger community. Before I go, if today's message inspired you, please like this video, subscribe to the Quinpay YouTube channel, and turn on notifications. Drop us a comment below this video and let us know what you thought. Every day we're helping lenders across South Africa build stronger businesses while creating stronger communities. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.